this is Matt, and I'm speaking softly because I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I'm here to let you know about a 500 sub giveaway that Triple P, Pistol Packin' Pilot, is putting together, and the man has lost his mind. I mean, look at the way he fondles these Scottsdale stackers. I mean, the guy is obsessed. But he wants to give it all away. So he's got this 500 sub insane giveaway. You can win 10 ounces just by liking and commenting and being a subscriber. That's the easy part. You can also win more if you do a shout out video.
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.
So instead of showing my face, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what went through Pistol Packin' Pilot's mind when he started thinking about it. So right here, it's him on stage singing about how great he's going to feel.
And some play it smart. I had a ball. Some of us fly.
Now this is going to give you a look at what his wife and family thought when he told them about what he was thinking about doing.
In retrospect, it seems like a pretty bad idea driving out. It's been one disaster after another.
Yeah, it's been a real drag, Dad. Maybe we can try it some other time.
Now if you have kids in the room, please cover their ears, use some earmuffs, because what you're going to hear is obscene, but it's hilarious.
I think you're all fucked in the head. We're 10 hours from the fucking fun park and you want to bail out. Well, I'll tell you something. This is no longer a vacation. It's a quest. It's a quest for fun. I'm gonna have fun and you're gonna have fun. We're all gonna have so much fucking fun we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling zippity-doo-dah out of your assholes.
Now you may be asking, why is he doing this? And I found out why. He found out there was another Triple P. There was a Triple P named Les Brown, and he was LB Triple P.
I said, look out, this is me, LB Triple P. Les Brown, your platter playing papa. There were none before me, and there will be none after me. Therefore, that makes me the one and only. Young and single and love to mingle, certified, bona fide, indubitably qualified to bring you satisfaction, a whole lot of action. Look out, baby, I'm your love man. I was hungry. I was hungry. You gotta be hungry.
The sad part of this all is that he actually admits that he's crazy. Like, he knows it. So I don't know if as a community it's our responsibility to bring him back to reality or just let him go, because it's kind of fun to watch, right?
And he called me a savage. He said I am crazy and I am savage. Well, we're about to see exactly how savage I am.
I gotta be crazy. I'm on a pilgrimage to see a moose. Praise Marty Moose! Holy shit!
Dad, you want to ask her something?
Don't touch!
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.
Now we're going to take a look forward in time. I found future footage of how he's going to react once he realizes that his 500 subscriber giveaway is a reality. This is actual footage of what's going to happen the day he has to mail all that silver out.
A little voice told me it's all wrong. Another voice told me it's all right. I used to think that I was strong, but lately I just lost the fight. It's funny how falling feels like flying for a little while. It's funny how falling feels like flying for a little while.
20 ounces. 20 ounces, ladies and gentlemen. 3.08% of my full stack.
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.
You are descending
And you know what? It's a displaced threshold. You're landing short. The ILS is shut down. Pappies are all reading red. Your instruments are down, man. Pull the string. We need to abort mission. You need to go around, go back, reattack. Pistol packing pilot, you gotta tell us, man. Are you seeing straight? Do you see the horizon? Do you see the touchdown points? Let us know. See you! Ah, there's like 5 different things in here. First thing, interesting. Huh. That's weird. There is a note. It says, find radio player. Okay. Hit play. Okay.
Were you trying to get crazy with this, see?
You recognize that song? Huh. There's 2 Scottsdale stackers, but these things are all messed up. They're all different colors. This is weird. Look at this one. This one's like purple. Who would do this? That's crazy. CGB Coins. Thank you for doing a shout out. This is Triple P. Ha. Okay. So you remember Triple P. Now it makes sense. Pistol, packing, pilot. Got it. Okay. And the Freedom Tower. Right. Okay. Scottsdale. Thank you for doing the shout out. No problem, man. See, I did the shout out, one, because I thought it was cool. I want the victory. I want to win Scottsdale Stackers, and I do respect him. I really do. I know my shout out video was kind of funny. I was calling him crazy because he was trying to give away all this silver, but he's trying to get to 500 subs. I respect that. I'm trying to get to 200, so I can't even imagine what he's going through. So let me continue. Yeah, thank you for the shout out. Please read this out loud in front of everybody you know. Interesting. The Scottsdale Stackers are what I'm gonna do to your arms if you keep calling me crazy. Okay. Okay. He goes, your shout out video was interesting, and he has that in quotes. He starts writing in like bigger letters now. He says, but you failed to mention the 1,000 subscribers where I'll give away a kilo. Well, Pistol Packin' Pilot, your title of your channel is Pistol Packin' Pilot. I was not gonna say Pistol Packin' Pilot kilo. You know what I'm saying? I like being on YouTube. I don't want to get looked at by authorities, right? A Pistol Packin' Pilot transporting kilos doesn't necessarily mean silver to me, so that's why I didn't mention the 1,000 subscribers. But since we're talking about it, yeah, 500 subscribers. Once you hit that, the shout out video could get a 10-ounce stacker. That's why I did the original. And I know you're talking about giving a kilo, so that's 32.15 ounces, which again, that's even beyond crazy. I didn't go there, 1, because I didn't want to get banned, and 2, because that's crazy. Nobody's going to give away a kilo. I think they'll lock you up before you get there. I'll continue. But again, I do respect you, especially after seeing this mysterious box. I hope that original video is taken in the right way. Again, I'm just here trying to get my subs up too, trying to have some fun, so I apologize. He continues. I like your channel. It's cute how you talk about coins. Thank you. But don't bring coins to a gunfight, son. Ooh. Okay. He said you're playing with fire. You can play with your sulfur. You can artificially tone. But if you want to permanently be scarred, keep talking. Oh. Okay, so I think we got off on the wrong foot. Alright? again, that was a playful roast, right? Like we were roasting each other, Fish was roasting, we were cooking, man, and we were having fun. So I totally respect Triple P, Pistol Packin' Pilot. I love his channel because, again, he's doing the same thing I'm doing. He's showing off his goods, but with this package, I understand now we're not just having fun and games. So Pistol Packin' Pilot, much respect, man. And this is my video for you. I hope you get to 500 now. I extremely hope you get to 1,000. I can't wait till you get to run those kilos all across the country, man. I'm just playing. So this was fun, just a wild idea. So I'm thankful that you're taking this the right way. It is a little scary to roast, but that's what this is all about. So I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And every other coin collector, stacker, collector, builder, creator, everything you can do, we're all in this together. We're all having fun. See you guys next time. I hope.
Were you trying to get crazy with this thing? Don't you know I'm loco?
Triple P, Pistol Packin' Pilot. He's got 1,000 sub goal coming up. And if you remember the 500 sub goal where he gave away all this silver, he gave away a 10-ounce stacker to a content creator, this time he's giving 11 people a shot to win a kilo. And I have a brand new kilo here, still with the bubble wrap and still with the plastic protection to represent what the victory is. So there's 10 people, 10 random videos, 10 random comments, but that 11th slot, that's for me. That's for a content creator, somebody that's wanting to do a video, to send people there, and to help Triple P, Pistol Packin' Pilot, get to 1,000 subscribers. So my question is, why would somebody, and I'll show you what a kilo looks like, because they are beautiful, especially when they're perfect. You know, perfect covering, protection. It's pristine. And he trusted me to handle it just like he would handle an airliner, right? With complete care, telling his passengers it's gonna be okay. I'm here, I'm in control.
Now this is going to give you a look at what his wife and family thought when he told them about what he was thinking about doing.
In retrospect, it seems like a pretty bad idea driving out. It's been one disaster after another.
Yeah, it's been a real drag, Dad. Maybe we can try it some other time.
Now if you have kids in the room, please cover their ears, use some earmuffs, because what you're going to hear is obscene, but it's hilarious.
I think you're all fucked in the head. We're 10 hours from the fucking fun park and you want to bail out. Well, I'll tell you something. This is no longer a vacation. It's a quest. It's a quest for fun. I'm gonna have fun and you're gonna have fun. We're all gonna have so much fucking fun we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling zippity-doo-dah out of your assholes.
So we are in your trust. We trust that you're gonna take us, you're gonna fly us. We'll get you to 1,000. But when we get there, we want you to give away this kilo. And it's precious. This is a precious metal, just like we are precious cargo. So you're the leader of this community. We're gonna help you get there, and when we...
Quarterback's arm was going forward, and it's an
Oh man, what a call that is.
That's the worst call in the history of all sports. All the air was let out of the Oakland Raiders. After that happened, we never recovered.
Oh, So let me talk a little bit more about that kilo. So he did send it to me. He said, hey, use it in a video. It'll be funny. I'm glad you have multiple, because this one now has a little bit of a nick in it, a little bit of a ding. I think it's still 32.15. It just has a little bit of character. So I'm sorry, Triple P. I'll make it up to you.
He said, I am crazy and I am savage. Well, we're about to see exactly how savage I am.
I gotta be crazy. I'm on a pilgrimage to see a moose. Praise Marty Moose. Holy shit.
Dad, Dad, you want to ask her or something?
Don't touch!
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.